Yeah. Today we are going to discuss the topic van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation. That is variation of van der Waals equation. Okay, at different conditions. Okay. Actually, van der Waals equation we have discussed. Just we are revising what van der Waals equation. That is real gas equation. So first of all, what is the van der Waals equation? What is the van der Waals equation? It is given by P plus an square by v square. P plus an square by v square into what? V minus nb. V minus nb is equal to what? nRT. Is equal to nRT. It is what van der Waals equation for real gases. Now according to this equation up here, this P is what now? P real. And V is what? V real. So PR indicates what here? Pressure of real gas. Real gas means what? Non-ideal gas. And VR is what? Volume of real gas. The real gas is also called what? Non-ideal gas. Non-ideal gas. Okay, so here P real plus some pressure correction into V real, volume of real gas, minus some volume correction is equal to nRT for n moles here. This van der Waals equation for how many moles it is? For n number of moles. For n number of moles, we have taken van der Waals equation as what P plus an square by v square into V minus nb is equal to nRT. It is van der Waals equation. N is what? Number of moles. And what is A here? A is called, it is van der Waals parameter or van der Waals constant. B also van der Waals parameter. This A indicates what now? A represents what? The intermolecular attractive forces between the gas molecules. And B indicates what? The volume of the gas molecule, that is size of gas molecule. Okay. So like this, pressure of real gas plus some pressure correction is added and volume of real gas minus NB. NB is what now here? Volume correction is equal to nRT. Is that clear now? Let's take the screenshot of this. Yeah. Now see here. Now, what is the P ideal here in this equation, which represents P ideal, pressure of ideal gas? So this one. So this indicates what now here? This total indicates what? P ideal. So P ideal is equal to what now? Pressure of ideal gas is equal to what now here? Pressure of real gas plus an square by v square. An square by v square. And what is the V ideal here? Volume of ideal gas. What in this case? Volume ideal is equal to what? V real, volume of real gas minus some volume correction NB. Okay. So this is what now here, instead of P into V is equal to nRT, we have taken this one here. V plus an square by v square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. Take the screenshot now. Yeah. So now next is what now here? Next for 1 mole of the gas. If N is equal to 1 mole, if N is equal to 1, for 1 mole of a gas, for 1 mole of a gas, N is equal to what number of moles? 1. In this case, now what we take equation? P plus A into 1 square, A into 1 square, A into 1, A by what? V square into V minus N into B, that is 1 into B. So B is equal to nRT, 1 into RT. So it is what now here? For 1 mole of the gas, the ideal gas equation, P plus A by V square into V minus NB or V minus B is equal to RT. So this equation is very important to understand here. It is 1 mole of the ideal, means 1 mole of the real gas. For 1 mole of real gas, we have taken this equation as what now? Van der Waals equation. So van der Waals equation for real gases for 1 mole here. Is the concept clear? Take the screenshot. So now what we have to understand is that modification of van der Waals equation in special cases. What is this here? Modification of van der Waals equation. Modification of what? Van der Waals equation in special cases. In special cases. For 1 mole of real gas, we have taken van der Waals equation. How that equation for 1 mole changes at different conditions. So the first one we are taking here at very low pressure. At very low pressure. The special condition what we have taken here at very low pressure. At very low pressure, how the van der Waals equation for 1 mole changes. Okay. So now when pressure is very low, the volume is very large now. So here first condition what we have taken at very low pressure, volume of gas is very large. Volume of gas is what? Very large. Whenever volume of gas is very large, the gas molecule volume, the volume of gas molecule we can neglect. Therefore, what we can neglect now here? The volume of gas molecule. Okay, the volume of molecule take care. The volume of molecule becomes very less than what? The volume of gas. Volume of gas is very large here. That's why here the volume of molecule can be very less. When volume of gas is very less than volume of the gas, in this condition, what we can neglect now? B. B is what now here? Van der Waals parameter B can be neglected. What can be neglected here? B value can be neglected. B value can be neglected. In which condition we can neglect the B value? We have to understand. Whenever the volume of gas is very large, okay, in comparison, the volume of gas molecule is very less than the volume of the gas. In this condition now, the B value, the value of B can be neglected. In the equation of van der Waals, we can neglect what now here? In van der Waals equation, we can neglect B value. That is one condition. Next here. Now, what is very large in this case now? At low pressure, at very low pressure, volume of the gas is very large. Let's take the screenshot of this one. Now, next case is that if volume of gas is very large, if volume of gas is very large, suppose in this condition, what we have to understand is that A by V square becomes very less. A by V square becomes negligible. What is the A by V square called here? Pressure correction. Pressure correction. So in this pressure correction, it is a ratio of what by what? It is a ratio of A to V square. Now V is very large now here. When V is very large here, V in the denominator na, then this ratio value will be very less. If V is very large, volume is very large in the denominator, what happens is A by V square becomes very less. One condition. So A by V square becomes very less or very negligible if you take very large volume. At large volume is taken at what now here? At very low pressure now we have taken condition. At very low pressure, the volume is very large. Then A by V square value becomes negligible. So what we can neglect now? Therefore, A by V square can be neglected. Can also be neglected. So what can also be neglected here? A by V square can also be neglected. Why A by V square can be neglected here? Because the volume is very large in the denominator. This ratio A by V square becomes very less. Very less means very negligible. So it can be neglected. Moreover, if the volume of gas is very large, suppose it is container, in this volume is very large. When volume is very large, what happens? Between these two, the distance will be very large. Na? If volume of gas is very large, what happens? The distance between the molecule and molecule will be very large. Intermolecular distance will be large. When distance is large, what happens now? Very less attraction will be there. Very less Attractive forces. Attractive forces. When attractive forces are less, what happens now? When attractive forces are very less, this A value will be very less. A is in the numerator, denominator in this ratio. A is in the numerator. When A value is very less, attractive force is given by A. Attractive force between gas molecules is given by which value? A is very less. When A is very less, this ratio will be very less. Na? A volume is very large. At the same time, this attractive force also is very less. So attractive force A is less and V is large. That's why this value becomes very smaller and hence it can be neglected. A by V square can be neglected. So pressure correction can be neglected. At what? Here at very low pressure. Is the concept clear? Yeah. So here, when small a value is very smaller and volume is very larger, this a by v square can be neglected. This condition we have to understand always. So here in this condition, at very low pressure condition, what we have neglected? We have neglected a by v square, that is pressure correction, and also the volume correction b. Both we have neglected for 1 mole of the gas. Okay. Now take the screenshot of this one. Yeah. So now, therefore, at very low pressure, what happens here at very low pressure? Both small a by v square and b values can be neglected. Both can be neglected. When both are neglected here, it becomes what now? Ideal gas equation. The real gas equation becomes what? Ideal gas equation. Therefore, we write now here P plus A by V square. Instead of that, P we write into now V minus NB. There V only we write here. P into V is equal to what now here? N RT. Means 1 RT na here? N RT. So 1 RT. PV is equal to nRT for 1 mole of gas here. For 1 mole. For 1 mole, we have taken what now? PV is equal to nRT. This is what now here? Ideal gas equation. Therefore, that's what we can say now here. Thus, Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation becomes equal to what? Ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation for 1 mole. Okay, so in this condition, what we get here? Van der Waals equation becomes what? Ideal gas equation at very low pressure condition. Take the screenshot. Yeah, so it is about very low pressure condition. And now take it at very high temperature. At second condition is what? At very high temperature. Tell me, at very high temperature, what happens to the volume of gas? When the temperature increases, volume also increases, na? Volume of gas also increases, na? The volume of gas becomes what, ma? Volume of gas becomes very large. Okay, volume of gas becomes what? Very large. Okay, in which conditions? At very high temperature and at very low pressure also. So these two conditions, what are here? At very low pressure condition and what? High temperature condition. So at very low pressure and at very high temperature. Very high temperature. And very high temperature. At very low pressure and very high temperature, what happens? Say volume will become very large. Whenever volume becomes very large, what we can neglect now? Therefore, A by V square and B. A by V square and B can be neglected. Both can be neglected again. Why A by V square is neglected here? A by V square, why neglected here? Volume is very large. When V is very large, A by V square becomes very smaller. And also, when volume of gas is larger, what happens? The distance between the gas molecules will be very large. So that the attractive forces between the gas molecules will be very less. When attractive force is less, A value will be less. So A by V square value will be very less. At the same time, why we have neglected B value? B always can be neglected in comparison to very large volume of gas. In comparison to very large volume of the gas molecule volume can be neglected. Therefore, B can be always neglected at very large volume. So volume correction B is neglected, and what here attractive forces A by V square also neglected. Therefore, what we again here the van der Waals equation. Therefore, van der Waals equation becomes equal to what now? Ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. Again, what now here same. PV is equal to RT. PV is equal to RT. So what is ideal gas equation for 1 mole here? PV is equal to RT. So PV is equal to RT is what now? Both van der Waals equation and ideal gas equation. At what condition? At very high pressure, high temperature condition, and at very low pressure condition. Under these two conditions, all real gases behave like what? Ideal gases. Under what conditions real gases behave as ideal gases? At very low pressure and at very high temperature, the gases, the real gases, behave as what? Ideal gases. Example, you take nitrogen gas. The nitrogen gas behaves nearly like ideal gas at 50 degrees Celsius, at very high temperature. At 50 degrees Celsius, the nitrogen gas can behave as what? Ideal gas. That temperature 50 degrees is called what? Boyle's temperature for nitrogen. Boyle's temperature for nitrogen is how much? 50 degrees Celsius. Means at that temperature, the real gas nitrogen behaves as what? Nearly ideal gas. Let's take the screenshot now. Under these two conditions of very low pressure and very high temperature, all real gases behave as what? Ideal gases. That concept you have to understand. Take the screenshot. Next. Now this is important concept. Now next one. Important concept is what? At moderate pressures. At what now here? Moderate pressures. At moderate pressures means what? The pressure is neither low nor high. Okay. At moderate pressures, we are calculating. At moderate pressures, what we have to understand is that volume of gas is large enough. Volume of gas is large enough to neglect the value of B. To neglect the value of what? Value of B. So B value can be neglected at moderate pressure. Why at moderate pressure means neither high pressure nor low pressure. So at this moderate volume, at moderate pressure, volume will be moderate. So the volume of this gas will be large enough to neglect which value? B value. To neglect what? B value at moderate pressure. Why the B value can be neglected at moderate pressures here? Because the volume is large here. The larger volume is sufficient to neglect what now here? B. Okay. So like this B can be neglected. Therefore, B value can be neglected here. Therefore, B can be, means volume correction can be neglected. Volume correction can be what? Neglected. At what condition? At moderate pressure. B can be neglected. Now, see here. Now, at this volume here, at this moderate volume, still some attractive forces are there. So, what we are understanding here? At this volume of moderate pressure, at this volume, okay, still there are attractive forces. Still there are attractive forces. Attractive forces between what? Between gas molecules. Between gas molecules, still what are there? Some attractive forces there. Therefore, A by V square cannot be neglected. Can't be. It can't be neglected. Is the concept clear now here? A by V square cannot be neglected. The reason is what now here? Still some attractive forces are there between the gas molecules at this volume, at this moderate volume at moderate pressure. So A by V square cannot be neglected. It can't be neglected. B can be neglected. B can be neglected. Okay. Now take the screenshot once. It is the condition of what? Moderate pressure. Now tell me, at moderate pressure, now what we can neglect now here? B can be neglected, but A by V square cannot be neglected. B can be neglected, but A by V square cannot be neglected. Okay, therefore what we can now, what is van der Waals equation for 1 mole? P plus A by V square. P plus A by V square into what? V. V minus NB becomes V only. V minus B becomes V only because B is neglected. So B we are not mentioning here. Is equal to what? 1 RT. 1 into RT. For how many moles? For 1 mole. For 1 mole of gas at what? At moderate pressure. At moderate pressure, P plus A by V square into V is equal to RT. Now take here P into V, PV plus A into V, AV by V square is equal to RT. Is equal to RT. So here V by V square what? 1 by V. That means what here? Therefore, PV is equal to what? PV is equal to A by V. PV, you take first PV plus A by V is equal to what? Is equal to RT. Okay. So P into V, PV plus A by V is equal to RT. Okay. Take the screenshot. Now, from this PV is equal to what now? PV is equal to RT minus A by V. Therefore, what we are now here? Tell me. Therefore, PV is equal to RT minus A by V. A by V. Okay. And now here you divide both the sides with RT. Okay. Each term you divide with the RT. So now here it is what? PV by RT is equal to RT by RT minus A by RTB. RTB. Right now. So here now, what we have taken PV by RT. PV by RT is nothing but what now? Z. That is what? Z. Z is equal to what now? Z is what now? Compressibility factor. PV by RT. Z is equal to RT by RT what? 1 minus A by RTB. So Z is equal to 1 minus A by RTB. That means what now? Z value less than 1, Z value greater than 1 here. Thus, Z is what now? Less than 1. 1 minus something is there here. Z value is what? Less than 1. Z value less than means what now? Less than 1 indicates what now here? The real gas shows negative deviation or positive deviation. The real gas shows. The real gas shows what now here? Negative deviation. Negative deviation from what? Ideal behavior. Negative deviation from ideal behavior. Ideal behavior. The concept, it can be neglected, means it can behave like what now here? The negative deviation will be shown by the real gas. Okay. So the real gas taken here at moderate pressure shows what now? Negative deviation from ideal behavior. Is that clear? So Z value we got less than 1 at moderate pressure. So these are all conditions what where we have taken at moderate pressure. At moderate pressure. So at moderate pressure, volume is larger or not? The volume is larger. To neglect what? B value. But A by V square cannot be neglected because still some attractive forces are there. Okay. So it's about what now here? The moderate pressure. Take the screenshot. at high pressures. Next one is what? At high pressures. At high pressure. When pressure is high, the volume is small. So volume of gas is what? Volume of which gas now? The real gas. Volume of the real gas taken. The real gas taken is what now? Is the volume of real gas is very small. It is very small. Okay, when volume is very small, okay, we cannot neglect, or we can neglect B. B cannot be neglected. So in comparison to lower volumes, when we can neglect B value, I told you, at very large volumes, B can be neglected. Here volume is what now? Volume is very small. Volume is very small. When volume is very small, B cannot be neglected. Therefore, B value cannot be neglected. Cannot be neglected in comparison to what? Very small volume of the gas. Okay, in comparison to very small volume of gas, B cannot be neglected at this condition. Okay, now here, what about A by V square? A by V square can be neglected in comparison to high pressure of the gas. When you compare with high pressure of the gas, the pressure correction can be neglected. What we have to understand here, in comparison to high pressure, high pressure of gas, pressure correction can be neglected. Pressure correction is what? A by V square, na? So this pressure correction A by V square can be neglected. It can be neglected. Now pressure correction can be neglected, A by V square can be neglected, but B value cannot be neglected. At what condition? At high pressure condition. So what we have to retain in the equation now? B we have to maintain, but A by V square we need not to write. Take the screenshot now. So what is the condition taken here? At high pressure, tell me now, at high pressure, what is the equation? Van der Waals equation. Van der Waals equation becomes what now? Tell me here. At high pressures, P into V minus B. So a B is there, but A by V square not there. P into V minus B is equal to what now? RT is equal to RT, right? For 1 mole here again, for 1 mole. And now here P into V, PV minus PB is equal to what now? RT. The same thing, how to write now? PV by RT is equal to PB. Or you take that here, yeah, PV by PV is equal to what now here? The same equation, how to write now? Tell me. PV is equal to RT value plus PB. RT plus PB we can write. Is that clear now? So RT plus PB we can write. Now here from this equation, now divide each term on the both the sides with what now here? RT. This PB. Now tell me here, how to write now? The same thing. PV by RT is equal to RT by RT plus PB by RT. Right now. Now PV by RT is what now? Compressibility factor. That is Z. This is what now here? Z. The same thing, how to write now here? Z. It is Z. So Z is equal to 1 plus some value. 1 plus PB by RT. So what we can do now here? Z is, tell me now. Therefore, tell me now. Therefore, Z equals to what now here? 1 plus PB by RT. That means the Z value is greater than 1 or less than 1? Z Z value is greater than 1. Whenever Z is greater than 1, that is what now here? Positive deviation. Positive deviation from ideal behavior. So that gas taken, this real gas taken will show what now here, will exhibit what? Positive deviation from ideal behavior. Okay, at what condition? At high pressure condition. At very high pressure condition, the Z value will be greater than 1 for the real gas. That means the real gases show what? Positive deviation from ideal behavior. So this is what at high pressure condition. So we have discussed about what? High pressure condition, low pressure, very low pressure condition and all. Now the same conditions will be applied for, same equation we apply for helium and hydrogen. Okay, the same is for what? The same is for helium and, okay, the same is for, the same is true for what? H2 and helium, hydrogen and helium. For helium and hydrogen gas also same, we have to consider. Okay, same equation we have to take it. For which gases? Hydrogen and helium. These two gases always show what? Positive deviation. These two gases always show positive deviation from ideal behavior, right? Now we'll check it how we can apply this equation for hydrogen and helium. Take the screenshot now. Okay. So at high pressure condition, what we have neglected here? We have neglected A by V square. Now, for which gases we are taking? Van der Waals equation for H2 and helium gases. For H2 and helium gases. Now here, in this case, now what we have to understand, in case of H2 and helium, they have very small size. H2 and helium have very small size. Very small size. When size is very less, what happens now? The mass is less here, sizes are less. Then intermolecular force of attraction are negligible. Thus, intermolecular, inter means between the molecules. Intermolecular attractions are negligible. Intermolecular attractions are negligible. When intermolecular attractive forces are negligible, what happens now here? A can be neglected. A by V square. Therefore, A is very less. A is very less, and A by V square can be neglected. Can be neglected. So A by V square value, A value is very less now. The numerator value is very less. This ratio also will be very less. Then this A by V square can be neglected in case of hydrogen and helium gases because of very smaller sizes of these two molecules and very smaller masses of these two gases. Okay. When mass is less, attractive force is less. When sizes are very less also, attractive forces are very less. Okay. Yeah, take the screenshot. Now, what is neglected here? A by V square can be neglected, but we cannot neglect B here. Why B cannot be neglected here? B value cannot be neglected because the what here? B is what now here? Size of the molecule. Size of the molecule. So B cannot be neglected, but A by V square can be neglected. Therefore, what we have now here? What we have to understand here? The same thing. B cannot be neglected. B cannot be neglected, but A by V square can be neglected. Okay. Yeah. Now, therefore, for H2 and helium, what we take now here? Z is what now here? 1 plus P by Rg. P by Rg. The same thing. At high pressure, whatever we got, the same thing we get here. At high pressure, what we got condition. So it's what now here? Z is greater than 1 for these two gases always, and they show what now? Positive deviation.